Hello guys, today we will create Christmas tutorial using PixelSquid 360, Adobe Photoshop CC, and I'm using my Wacom tablet. Let me start introducing you to absolutely amazing PixelSquid 360. This is absolutely amazing website. You can see URL PixelSquid.com. It's a design-ready object for Adobe Photoshop. Using object from PixelSquid.com, you can create a 3D object and use this 3D object for your design in creating a 2D image in Photoshop. This is absolutely amazing and easy to work with. It's all object as isolated and spinnable. Also, if you don't know, if you didn't know about PixelSquid, you have all necessary information about this. So go and check it out. You will need to install Adobe Photoshop plugin and you will be ready to go. It's very easy and absolutely amazing. Integration of Adobe Fuse, Adobe Photoshop, and PixelSquid, you can create absolutely amazing art. But I received a lot of requests from you guys to show you how we can create Christmas postcard or Christmas image, Christmas wallpaper, and we will be working with you today on creating Christmas image. I will be using Adobe Photoshop CC, Wacom, and object from PixelSquid. I downloaded a few images I would like to work, and first of all let me find what I would like to work with first. I would like to create something more antique feeling, so let's open this table. Simply click on your image you would like to work with, and right now if you will click on image on this small window, you can rotate this image and preview will be updated on your document. So I will rotate a little more. Yes, and right now I will zoom in my image using free transform tool. Just look how easy is it. Okay, it's our base layer, it's our table, and definitely I would like to add some background to it. Where is my layers? I will add free layer. I will bring it under my table layer, and I will use Adobe Texture, Adobe Paper Texture Pro. I absolutely love this paper and using pretty much every day with everything. Let me try this. Maybe another one. Yes, I like this more, so I will delete previous. As you can see, we have background, wall, our wall, and we have our table. I would like to bring my table a little down, just like that. And now I will click on add new, and I will add some font. It's antique font. And guys, very important to remember angle of your first object, because you will need to align any other object absolutely in same angle. It's very important because it's your shadow and your composition. So maybe like that, and a free transform tool again. I will resize. As you can see, objects from PixelSquid are absolutely amazing. I don't need to do something very complicated. Just bring any object in my document, rotate, and I will have 3D object in my 2D imaging. This is amazing to anybody who doesn't like creating object using 3D application. So this PixelSquid.com is absolutely for you guys. I will move it just like that, and as you can see, I have all shadow and everything what I need to. If I want, I can rotate my phone. Maybe, yes, this is much better. And I will bring like this. And now I will add extra object on my document. Let's go through my library. As you can see, I have pretty much impressive library. And I would like to add vintage object. Okay, let's add candle. And again, I will rotate my candle with candle holder. I will spin it, and using a transform tool, I will resize. I can make it smaller, bigger depend of my document. I will make it smaller definitely. As you can see, I have again all shadow and everything what I need to create a natural looking document. Let's go back to my library, and let's add let's see what we can add. I would like to add a snow globe. I know I have it because I downloaded it and I tasted it before. Let me just find. Let me refresh my library. Okay, I don't have it, so what we will do, it's a great example. I will go to my PixelSquid, and I will search for snow globe, and that's it. Add to Photoshop. And let me find snowman. And I would like to add this beautiful snowman in my Photoshop. I will be back to my Photoshop. I will refresh my library. And voila, we have our snow globe. So I will click on my snow globe. I will change angle of my snow globe, just like that. Free transform tool again, because I need to resize my snow globe definitely. Let's make snow globe bigger and bring to our phone. Click OK. Also, what I would like to do, I would like to bring my snow globe behind phone. See how perfect is it? And now I would like to add snowman inside of my my snow globe. I will resize again, change angle again, a free transform tool. I will resize my snowman because it needs to fit my snow globe. And because I would like to apply effect like my snowman inside the snow globe, I will bring a snowman layer behind my snow globe. I will zoom in and you will see. Look how perfect is it? Absolutely amazing, guys. And we talk about some antique feeling what I would like to do else, I would like to add ink, because we will add envelope. This is very beautiful, guys. I will resize again. I will change angle again. Maybe I will spin it. Yes. Free transform tool. Guys, I would like to point that this is pretty much big size my document, and as you can see, all objects from PixelSquid doesn't have any troubles working with big file. So this is amazing, great quality and everything. And the last thing what we will add, object we will add, it's envelope. I definitely would like to rotate it. Maybe just spin a little, just like this. A free transform tool. It's envelope, it's not supposed to be big. And if I would like, I can spin it again. I can rotate it. Yes, I like it. So guys, using 3D object from PixelSquid, using Adobe Photoshop and Wacom tablet, we created very nice Christmas image. We brought into our document all 3D objects background we would like to work with, and now the time to apply lightning and everything like that. As I'm naming it, we need to work on our finishing touches. So let's start doing this. I don't need to be worried about shadow and everything. I have all necessary shadows under each object. What I need to work on, it's lighting, global lighting, because we have a candle right here and we need to apply light, the right lightning. And before we will apply lightning effect, you need to consider the shadow. So if shadow going, we see shadow on the left side of our candle, so lightning supposed to be on the right side of our candle. But first of all, I would like to apply flame to my candle, and I will add new layer. I will use pen tool and just will draw the line, go filter, render, and flame. We have multiple different type of flame we can work with. I will go with candle light. I will bring light down. Custom color. Let me change color to something like this. Opacity, yes, probably I will bring opacity down to 4. Normal, click OK. Let me zoom in, and what we can do, we need to use free transform tool to resize our flame. Absolutely beautiful. I love flame filter in Photoshop. So now we will have two sources of our lightning. First, it will be our flame, lightning coming out from our flame. In another one, some source on the right side of our image. So how can I do this? I will select my top layer. I will go to adjustments and I will apply exposure adjustment layer to my image. Why I'm applying adjustment layer instead of apply adjustment directly to my image? Because in that way I can resize and do anything I want to with my layer. So exposure, also probably let me check. I will add levels. Let me, no, I don't like levels and exposure in here. Probably what I will do, I will apply a brightness contrast. Like this, and let's try curves. I don't know, I'm not sure about our curves, and because I apply adjustment as a separate layer, I can change opacity of my adjustment layer, and I will do it right now. Probably I will change opacity of my brightness contrast adjustment layer. Yes. What I can do else, because when we are applying adjustment layer applying like a separate layer with mask on it. So what I need to do, I will click on my brightness contrast adjustment layer. I will use gradient tool, change opacity to 18, and I will start applying our details. Just small details. I simply will highlight parts of my object. And same with curves layer, adjustment layer. Now what I would like to do, I would like to apply a color lookup. I will go and try to apply full colors look, and I will bring opacity down of this layer. Let me check. Yes, I like it. What I can do right now, I will merge all visible layers. I will duplicate this layer. And I will go to my exposure adjustments layer. Like this. And using a gradient tool, I will highlight few parts, some parts of my image again. Objects which are close to our candle light will be more highlighted, definitely. And let me change opacity to 72, and I will highlight some parts of my phone, vintage phone, I would like to say. Just like that. Changing between black and white, we can mask out layer or mask in, depends of what you want. So something like that. Let me highlight more envelope. I will deselect my first layer and I will merge visible. Duplicate again this layer, and what I would like to do right now, I will be using a dodge tool to highlight some parts of my image. Example, let me zoom in. I would like to highlight some parts of my envelope. I will change a range from highlights to shadows probably. Let's see. Yes. It's very important to work on small details of your image, because it's really bringing makes your image more natural looking. Just small details, but small details are very important. Don't afraid to spend more time on your details. I will change exposure to 100%. Change range from shadows to highlights. Back and change exposure to 15. Just like that. Change exposure to 3. Because this part of candle is close to our open flame, so it's supposed to be more bright. Let me bring back some details. Let me see. Yes, maybe like that. Let me see. No, I don't like this layer, so I will duplicate it again, my layer, and I will apply more delicate highlight shadows. Just small details. Again, one more time. Let me try. Yes, definitely I like it more. Exposure to 13. I will make my brush size smaller. Exposure to 40. Yes, definitely I like it more now. Yes. And our candle holder. Range to highlight, bring exposure to 1. Will make my brush bigger. Yes, right now it's much better. Yes, this is what I was looking for. Also, I would like to add some accent to my snow globe and my phone. I will change exposure to 12. Will make my size of my brush bigger, just like flame. Exposure bringing down to 2 because it's snow globe. Range from highlights to shadows. Let's try. Midtones. Yes, midtones. Let me see. Yes, definitely. just few accents. Let me zoom out and I will see. What I would like to add more, definitely accent on my envelope, just few more. Again, I'm coming back to my Add Dodge tool, make my brush size smaller, and just highlights. I like it. What I don't like, I applied a lot of highlights on my phone, and I don't like it because I applied a highlight to separate layer. I will apply a layer mask. I will use a gradient tool and I will paint out. So I will make it less visible. Much better right now. And I will flatten image. Click OK. And our image is ready, guys. We used object from 3D object from PixelSquid.com. All objects are ready to work with in Adobe Photoshop. All objects are spinnable, and you can change angle and spin your object, and you don't need to create a object using any 3D applications. That simply go to PixelSquid.com and start using this amazing all those amazing objects from PixelSquid.com. I created my Christmas image using 3D object from PixelSquid.com, Adobe Photoshop CC latest version, and my Wacom tablet. Thank you guys, and I will see you later.